She is now receiving her DEAR certificate. She is also receiving a plaque direct from Mama. Can you imagine? Some people are very lucky.
Teaching is not just a profession. It is a vocation and the foundation of every other discipline. A professional teacher not only delivers teaching content, but also models discipline, respect, and lifelong learning. Because as teachers, you are the foundation of our education system and key pillars in shaping the citizens Uganda needs.
Ndine essanyu lingi nnyo okubeera overall winner. Kwegamba sinaba kukitegeera bulungi naye kirabika kyo kyekyo.
Obitegedde byebyo.
Nga nina essanyu mu mutima gwange neneebaza Katonda olw'ekikulu kino kyankoledde omwaka guno.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.